All right, y'all, we back with another video. I'm with my boy Ruby as always. Today, or actually, this has been a problem. The day I did the rotors, we were doing to a car meet. I noticed my car was swaying, so we looked the next day and we thought it was my toe arms, but it was my rear axle boot, right? Rear axle boot ripped this right here, and my car started swaying. Oil went everywhere, all over my toe, everything. So I kind of cleaned it, but I haven't drove my car in around a week. It's pretty dusty, but these came in actually Thanksgiving. I forgot to say they came in Thanksgiving Day. So we're gonna replace both of them. So, and Ruby said he's done his. You've done yours on that one, right?
Yeah.
You did that one, and then you did the.
I did the differential. I did control arms. I did knuckles, steering hubs.
But yeah, we're about to spray it. Yeah, should be, as we always say, should be. Watch, we're gonna end up like cutting like fucking 3 bolts off. Watch. So we're about to spray this on 6 bolts right now, but I'll show y'all when we do that. We're letting everything cool off, but we're probably gonna take off the tome right here, and I'm probably gonna take this off because look how bad this is. It's already all cracked right here. All cracked right here. So I'm probably just gonna take this one off and this one off. Hot boy shit. But yeah. Damn. Alright, so we had to take off the tome because I took this off because look how bad this got. It looked pretty cool, but now it's off. It don't look bad. But now we're gonna spray those. Oh, yeah, the tome is over there. But we're gonna spray. I feel gay as hell laying on my stomach, dude.
In sniper position.
Yeah.
That's pussy eating position.
We gotta spray those 6 for real, huh? We gotta spray those 6 over there and 6 over here. Let me spray those 6. Damn, dude, you're missing the towel. So we're ready to hit those 6 right now. Hit these 6, and we're probably gonna let them sit there for like a good 30 minutes. Hopefully it loosens it up. And then clean all that oil that's around everything. Clean the tome. Clean all this, or not oil, grease, my bad.
Yucky shit.
Yeah. Fuck. Dude, this shit stinks. Come on, you gotta spray it for the video, dude.
I can't see the top one.
Dude, do it from back here. Up here, look at it. Above the toe arm. Right here.
Want me to snipe? Oh.
Yeah, snipe that. There you go.
Oh. This straw sucks.
Yeah. Ow. Wait, hold up.
Chill, don't kickbait me like that.
Let's think that put an extendo on that bitch.
God damn. Can you imagine?
Like the fucking FRSs. And...
Or the BRZs, they're sick.
Shit.
Look at that shit. Oh no.
That was like a week being lowered, and we reverse parked, and I fucking hit the fuck out of it. It's crazy.
It's okay. Builds character.
Imagine. Oh, wait. This is a real fucking. Watch this shit.
I can't fucking see shit.
It's so fucking scary. Take that bitch.
Oh fuck, this one's harder. Damn, that one's a lot harder.
And now we have these 2 broken, and then we're working on the other 4, but we can't reach the ones at the top, so we're gonna put it in neutral and then just turn everything.
Let's see if I can get this one. A little sneaky sneak. Come on. Come on, bitch. Don't be a whore. Let me in.
Nah. Oh yeah, I was gonna use that side.
Oh my god.
There it goes.
Fuck.
Still no. Yeah, boy.
What's that, number 4?
4, we got the 2 other ones.
Just just get them all off. We got 2 up top, but what we're gonna do is just turn the whole thing. That way we get those down here. Make our lives easier.
Finally,
That wasn't that bad.
no busted ass bolts that we gotta cut.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. I told you it wouldn't be that bad.
You said I think. Holy shit. Right there.
I know.
Yeah, boy.
Bit of persuasion.
That's the Mexican in me, dude, kicking that shit. Like I'm fucking look at.
You know.
Fuck, dude, why is it working?
It fucking worked, I guess.
Don't make me
Don't
dude.
kick it, nigga. At least try.
I am. Oh, I'm gonna hit the fuck out of my hand watch.
Hey man, you gotta do what you gotta do. Ultimate.
I think I got it already. Almost.
I heard it squeak.
Oh shit! Oh, crapping! Oh, no. Hold on. Oh.
Put it in neutral, bitch.
Huh?
Put it in neutral.
Alright, so we put it in a neutral, and then we span the bolts. Oh, there you go. So now we just got the two left, and there's more. It's easier to get it out instead of trying to work behind. So I have these two left, and then he's getting those two. Those two, oh shit, made my ears ring. I got those two, and then we're just gonna. What's after that? We gotta take off
Just the center.
this one right here, and then it should all slide out. Hopefully. All right, so we got all six broken now. But we're leaving these ones on just because we have to take off this spool right here. So we'll pick you up right now when we take this one off. All right, so we couldn't get it at the breaker bar. So we have to use some persuasion, old reliable. Old reliable.
My car soon, hopefully. I hope this shit doesn't fuck it up on the inside and shit. That's it, bro. Hey, fuck it.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Just like that. Oh, shit, man.
My bolts. And we got her. Wanna break the other side real quick?
Yeah, let's do it.
Ooh, hey! Alright, let's break this real quick. I'm gonna break this one off right now. With the boy. But the boy pulled up. What's up, dog?
Look like a big old highlighter, huh?
Film us real quick, dog. It's already recording. Film us real quick. We gotta break this.
We're doing some ghetto shit again.
Make sure it's tight.
Man, you
Look,
already
look.
started?
That's already tight. Come over here.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Don't bounce. Just push
I
it
need
on.
fucking 2 people, dog. Oh, you did it last time. Go. Yes, sir.
I'm weak as fuck.
Yeah, you can cut it. Thanks, dog.
Yeah, this shit got hot.
What?
The pipe.
Did it? Alright, we got it off. And look, this is fucking nasty.
Yeah, bro.
Let me see.
Thing banging.
But yeah, everyone just left these new ones on.
Man, as you can see, it's dark out. You know how it always goes when we work on shit. Shit always goes sideways without us knowing. But so what happened, his differential was shifted to the left too much when we tried putting the new ones on, so it wouldn't fit properly.
Should I take it off completely? It's already dropping.
Yeah. It's on the jack, it's okay. And just be careful, by the way.
That shit, yeah, I'm gonna fucking duck. That shit was off by 2 inches.
Yeah, so what we're doing is I have my old diff right here, and my guess is his bushings are fucking gonzo, and that's what made it like shift to the left like that. So we're taking off his diff right now.
Yeah. Is he still?
Which is
I got it.
not what we were expecting to do today at all. But you know, that's how life is, I guess.
Dude, we said this shit. It's gonna be easy today.
Hey man, sometimes life gives you peppers when you want lemons.
Spicy.
When you get peppers, you make some salsa, alright?
Spicy.
But yeah, we're throwing this old bitch in there.
Pick up
It's still fine, I think. It's got better bushings, and we'll see how that goes.
peppers. Fucking Mexican.
And we'll pick back up when we're making more progress.
When we get pizza.
Pretty good progress though. You broke those bolts off.
Yeah, lucky that was gonna be the hardest part, was breaking them.
Yeah, they came off pretty easily. Because you know, we got a strong guy over
Mexican
here.
jeans.
Strong guy Torres. Octavio.
1 week later.
Alright. We back around a week later, and look how dusty my car is. But short story is, after I think that last clip was us doing the differential, we looked at his differential and it's it's off by like an inch. So I think all of them are like that. So right now I'm just taking off my old, I took off the new ones, the new CV axles, because the right one didn't fit, it was too short. So I don't know if like the company did a shit job and sent me the wrong ones, but we're taking these off. And then he took off his off of that one, and we're gonna just put his old ones back on mine. And then it's a temporary fix.
Pray for the best.
Pray for the best, yeah. Go get an alignment after this and then hope everything's well. Because I got some new wheels. But I'll show you those right now. After my whip is clean. But yeah, we're about to we just took off the Tome and then just did that. So hopefully we put those back on. Put the wheels on, no issues. And praying for the best, to be honest. After this fucking 2-week experience. Alright, so we have everything back on. We have the CV axles back on. These fit way better. They fit like how they're supposed to. Now we put the exhaust back on, and then now we're putting the wheels back on, and then you down to get a wash? Yeah, we'll go get a wash, and then I'll show you the wheels right now. All right, so we have everything on. These are the wheels right here. I got some ESRs, 18s. I forgot the name because I bought these at OfferUp, but they're just like curb rashed a little bit right here, but I'm probably gonna hit somebody up that fixes them, but they're not bad. I bought all 4 of them for $500. Hell of a steal. We're about to wash the Zeds. Look how dirty my bitch is. I haven't washed it. I haven't drove it in like 2 weeks. What'd you put up here?
Triple Z.
Fucking filthy.
Yeah.
And then Ruby.
Mine's not that dirty.
No.
Can't really tell behind it because it's bright red.
I got up front, dude. You have my camera if you want.
Oh shit.
Look at this shit, dude.
Dirty wash team.
You got a video right now, the foam cannon? Just play it. It's fucking nasty. Come on, bitch. Alright, go ahead. Alright, go ahead.